How to fix black screen of death in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, force stop mobile. Now volume down or power off button. Press same time. Now here you will see restart option. Now click on restart again. Click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, plug in charger. Now plug in charger. After plug in charger, charger will be start. This is how you can fix black screen of death in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.